Hey everybody, this is Dave with BusyWeb. Hope you're all staying safe while we navigate this weird time. At BusyWeb, the health of our employees and customers is top priority, as I'm sure it is for all of you. If you want to keep everyone in a loop on your response to COVID-19 as it develops, Google just added a new feature that makes it easier. This tutorial is going to walk you through how to use that feature. First, you'll need a verified Google My Business page. This is where your business information, customer reviews, and map information is housed at Google. If you're a BusyWeb marketing client, we created a verified page for you as part of your program. If you're not sure that you have a listing, I'll leave a link to the blog or to a blog in the description of this video for steps on how to check it. If you don't currently have a Google My Business listing, that blog will tell you how to set it up as well. And if your page isn't verified, be aware that Google has deprioritized verifications for non-healthcare businesses at the moment, so it might take a little bit longer than normal to verify. If you're not sure if your page is verified or not, I'll go over to check that in a little bit as well. To verify, first go to your Google My Business page at business.google.com. That is what this page is. And then you'll note that there's two things up on the top. First, there's a limited Google My Business functionality with a learn more, but then also a coronavirus COVID-19 page right here where you click learn more. That's going to open up a new tab and it gives you a bunch of details. And you can create a bunch of things inside of there. But the one thing that I want to take you to next is to click on your business name and then go to posts. If your page isn't verified, you'll not be able to post. And so you'll need to finish that before you begin. So in here at the top, select COVID-19 update inside of here. Actually, I'm going to X out of this product post. COVID-19 update is where you want to click and then simply begin posting. So in my case, I have a overview that I've copied and pasted in preparation for this little tutorial. So I'm simply going to paste that in. And it simply says, statement from BusyWeb on the coronavirus COVID-19 pandemic. Talks about what we do, that we're working remotely, that we're asking people to stay home from our teams and our meetings, and we're doing all of our meetings virtually. And then you can add a button if you'd like, and you can push things in and publish at any time. And when you do publish, that's all you need to do. For now, that's what I'm going to do. And that's all I wanted to share with you today is how to make those changes and updates. So that's what it looks like. And if I go to the BusyWeb page on Google, I can actually review it by clicking and going, just Googling my business. So I'm just going to go BusyWeb. And when I type BusyWeb, it's going to pop up with this. And then the BusyWeb overview shows up in the card over on the right. So inside of here, you'd be able to see this and link the post right here, statement from BusyWeb on coronavirus COVID-19 pandemic. That's where it shows up and that's what to do. And thank you very much and hope this helped. Check us out at busyweb.com if you have more questions or news, and you can always get a hold of me at dave@busyweb.com. Thank you very much and have a fantastic day. Talk to you soon.